Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Laili Apita Azari. I'm from the 3PS1 class. Here I went a presentation with the title The Dynamic Study of Regulation on Syariah Banking Indonesia. Syariah Banking Regulation in Indonesia. By changing all financial system into the Islamic system as it is found in Iran, Pakistan, and Sudan. By recognizing the existence of dual banking system. By recognizing both Islamic banking and conventional banking as it is found in Bahrain, Brunei, Malaysia, Kuwait, Turkey, and the Uni Emirat Arab. Your audience will listen to you or read the content, but won't do both. By being neutral, these countries Egypt, Yemen, and Singapore are not for or against Islamic banking in their jurisdiction. By limiting the existence of Islamic banking to be independent as it is found in Saudi Arabia and Oman. Regulation is important in giving strong position for Sharia banking institution. It is also important in providing legal certainty for people to do transactions on product and service, and at the same time to provide protection for people in their Sharia banking activities. It is also important that regulation is function to develop people's trust in transferring their funds to be managed and invested productively by Sharia bank. Syariah banking. The term Bank Syariah or Syariah banking or Bank Islam or Islamic banking is not found in law now. The term bank, which is based on profit and loss sharing principle, has not accommodated all kinds of activity and product pattern of a Syariah bank. Sharia principle 1. Financing was based on profit and loss sharing or mudharabah. 2. Financing was based on the principle of equity participation or musyarakah. 3. The principle of trade in goods was based on profit or murabahah. 4. Financing capital good was based on the principle of pure banking without alternative or ijarah. Sharia principle as the key of resilience of Islamic banking. Therefore, the basic resilience of the Islamic financial institution, including Sharia banking, is on two fundamentals. 1. Transaction that occurs, either financing or equity participation. CO financing always keep in touch with the economic activity in the real sector. 2. Profit sharing based transaction. The risk inborne by mutual risk sharing. These two fundamentals constitute the characteristic of banking which use Sharia principle as its operational pattern. It means that the implementation of Sharia principle become the key for the resilience of the Islamic financial institution in facing crisis. The meaning of Sharia principle in law. Number 221 can be found in two different places. Article 1, paragraph 12 states that Sharia principle is Islamic legal principle in banking activities based on the edict issued by an institution which has the authority to issue an edict in the Sharia field. The institution which has the authority to issue an edict fatwa is the Indonesian Council of Ulama that is present through the National Sharia Board. Various activities of Sharia banking can be implemented after it has been obtained from the National Sharia Board of the Indonesian Council of Ulama. Article 3 on business activities which are in line with Sharia principle are any activity which does not contain the elements of riba, maisir, gharar, haram, and zalim. This explanation provides the line of some elements which must not violate in Sharia banking business activity. These 5 elements which are prohibited must be avoided. They cannot be added to any activity in Sharia banking business and automatically become the corridor which must not be violated by the National Sharia Board of the Indonesian Council of Ulama in issuing an edict or fatwa. These 5 elements, riba, maisir, gharar, haram, and zalim, difference the implementation of the activities of Sharia banking business from that of the conventional banking. The profits which are going to be obtained from the activities of Sharia banking have to be free from the elements riba, maisir, gharar, haram, and zalim. The profits which are obtained must be halal or legitimate according to Islamic law and is in accordance with the Islamic law. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.